Picture this, a vast field of golden sunflowers, their faces turned towards the sun. But did you know that these cheerful plants have a rich history dating back thousands of years? In fields where golden sunflowers sway, beneath the sun's warm, tender ray, lie tiny treasures, hidden gems, in nature's most delightful hems. Tiny powerhouses of nutrition with a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Join me as we explore the fascinating journey and remarkable health benefits of sunflower seeds. Please watch my video to the end for delicious recipe and funny dialogue. Please subscribe. Thank you. The history of sunflower seeds begins with Native American tribes around 3000 BC. They cultivated sunflowers not just for their beauty, but for their seeds, which were a vital source of food and oil. From ancient lands where they were sown, by hands of those who called them home, a gift of nature, pure and sweet, a tasty, healthy, wholesome treat. These seeds were ground into flour, used in baking, and even pressed to extract oil. The sunflower was more than just a plant, it was a staple in their diet and a symbol of spiritual significance. Fast forward to the 1500s, when Spanish explorers brought sunflowers to Europe. At first, they were mainly grown as ornamental plants. Sunflower seeds, so small and bright, like stars that twinkle in the night, within their shells, a secret lies, of ancient tales and sunny skies. By the 18th century, sunflower oil production took off in Russia, thanks in part to Peter the Great. The Russian Orthodox Church inadvertently boosted sunflower popularity by allowing its consumption during Lent when other oils were forbidden. Likewise, very delicious and healthy dessert, Russian halva, was created by using grinded sunflower seeds and mixed with pure honey. Different climates, altitudes, and soil types can lead to variations in growth, size, and yield. Russian immigrants brought these natural selection cultivated seeds back to North America in the late 19th century, which is why we often associate certain sunflower varieties with Ukraine and Russia today. By 1880, seed catalogs were advertising the mammoth Russian sunflower variety. In China, sunflower seeds became a popular snack, often shared among friends as a gesture of kindness during times of poverty. An interesting true story of the Chinese artisans creating tiny, realistic sunflower seeds from clay is a testament to the skill and dedication inherent in traditional Chinese craftsmanship. The story revolves around a group of skilled Chinese artisans commissioned to create a stunning installation of tiny, realistic sunflower seeds made entirely by hand from clay. They meticulously shaped, fired, and painted each seed, replicating the intricate details of real sunflower seeds. In total, they crafted thousands of these lifelike pieces, resulting in an immersive and breathtaking installation that showcased the beauty of traditional craftsmanship and cultural significance. In many Middle Eastern and Mediterranean countries, sunflower seeds are commonly eaten as a snack or used in baking. Packed with oils and nutrients grand, by nature's loving, careful hand, a source of strength, a boost of cheer, in every season of the year. Today, sunflower seeds are more than just a tasty snack. They're a nutritional powerhouse packed with health benefits. Vitamin E supports immune function and skin health, making sunflower seeds a great addition to your diet for a radiant glow. These tiny seeds are also loaded with minerals like magnesium, zinc, and selenium. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure and supports muscle and nerve function, while zinc plays a crucial role in immune health and wound healing. Heart health. Sunflower seeds are rich in healthy fats, particularly polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Sunflower seeds may lower your risk of cardiovascular disease and high blood pressure. Inflammation fighter. The vitamin E and flavonoids in sunflower seeds can help reduce inflammation in your body. Immune system booster. Packed with zinc and selenium, these seeds support your body's natural defenses. Energy enhancer. The protein, vitamin B, and selenium in sunflower seeds can keep you energized throughout the day. Bone strengthener. Sunflower seeds are rich in magnesium, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Oh, sunflower seeds, so full of grace, you brighten up the darkest place, with golden hearts and shells so fine, you turn our snacks to something divine. Sunflower seeds are a great source of protein, making them an excellent snack for muscle repair and growth. Their high fiber content aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer, which can be beneficial for weight management. Sunflowers in a field transitioning to a variety of sunflower seed products, snacks, oil, and flour. Recipe: healthy and delicious, sunflower shortbread. An idea of how sunflower seeds can be incorporated into baking. Ingredients: 1 cup raw sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup sunflower seed oil, 1/2 cup of raw honey, or maple syrup, half a teaspoon salt, 1 3/4 cup multigrain flour. Instructions: preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. The seeds are ground with oil, mixed with honey or maple syrup and salt, then flour is added to form a dough. With a cookie cutter, form varies of cookie shapes. Then baked on a cookie baking sheet at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Your healthy and delicious sunflower shortbread cookies are ready. Enjoy! This modern recipe demonstrates how sunflower seeds can be used as a primary ingredient in baked goods, which may be similar to how ancient cultures incorporated them into their cooking. With every crunch, a burst of joy, for every girl and every boy, from fields of sun and skies of blue, the world is brighter thanks to you. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. Sunflower seed: hey there, pumpkin. Looking a bit plump today, aren't we? Pumpkin seed: oh, please. At least I'm not constantly facing an identity crisis. Are you a flower or a seed? Make up your mind. Sunflower seed: very funny, coming from someone who spends half the year as Halloween decoration and the other half as food. Pumpkin seed: better than being stuck in a bag, waiting for humans to spit you out at baseball games. Sunflower seed: excuse me? I'll have you know we're a gourmet snack. People, squirrels and birds actually enjoy eating us. Pumpkin seed: at least I'm versatile. I can be in sweet or savory dishes. You're just bird food with delusions of grandeur. Sunflower seed: bird food? I'm in gourmet salads, artisanal breads, halva and even high-end chocolates. Pumpkin seed: wow, you really are full of yourself. Must be all that oil you're packing. Sunflower seed: better to be full of myself than full of stringy pumpkin guts like you were. Pumpkin seed: that's it. You wanna take this outside? Sunflower seed: we're outside, genius. We're plants. Pumpkin seed: oh, right. Well, this isn't over, Sunny. Sunflower seed: both of us are pretty healthy seeds, so let's be friends. Pumpkin seed: alright, let it be a sunny piece. Stay happy and seedy healthy. I will see you in my next nutritious episode. And what is your favorite seed? Please write in the comment section. Here's to you, our tiny friend, from start of day till evening's end, in every bite, a taste of sun, a gift for all, a joy for one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.